In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color on Wix. So the first thing you'd want to do is to pull up your Wix website editor. You can access this by clicking on the Edit Site button on your Wix dashboard. Once you're at the editor, just look for the text that you wish to edit. So for example, we're going to be trying to edit this text right here. So we're just going to go ahead and click it until these options appear. So this one says edit text, create AI text, and these buttons as well. So we're going to be focusing on is this edit text button right here. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and we'll be seeing some text settings over here. Now what we need to do is to look for this icon right here which says color, and if we click that, it should allow us to change the font color of our text. So for this example, maybe I'll try this purple color right here. And as you can see, it has automatically changed into that color. Now there's also this option which says highlight. This one basically fills the shape of the text with a certain color. So for example, if we have a purple font, and if we pair that with a gray highlight, it'll look something like this. There you go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and remove that highlight because I don't really like it. I'm going to keep it plain white, just like that. Now once you're satisfied with those changes, just go ahead and click on Save, and then click Publish Now to ensure that the changes will reflect on your web page. And that's about it. That's how you change text color on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.